Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Johnson versus Kohli. We'll delve into the remarkable careers of two cricketing titans, Mitchell Johnson, the fiery left-arm fast bowler, and Virat Kohli, the masterful right-handed batsman. Our aim is to understand their unique contributions and how they dominated their respective crafts, rather than declaring one definitively superior. We'll examine their key statistics and memorable performances to appreciate their distinct legacies in the sport. Virat Kohli stands as one of cricket's most prolific batsmen. In one-day internationals, he has scored over 14,000 runs with an exceptional average of nearly 58, including a record 51 centuries. His Test career also boasts over 9,000 runs and 30 centuries, demonstrating his consistent ability to perform at the highest level. Kohli's remarkable consistency and ability to chase down targets have made him a modern legend. Mitchell Johnson was a truly fearsome fast bowler, renowned for his pace and bounce. In Test cricket, he captured an impressive 313 wickets, averaging 28.40. He recorded 12 five-wicket hauls, including a devastating 8 wickets for 61 runs in one innings. His aggressive style and ability to intimidate batsmen made him a formidable opponent, consistently delivering match-winning performances for his team. While Virat Kohli and Mitchell Johnson excelled in vastly different roles, their impact on cricket is undeniable. Kohli's legacy is built on his unparalleled batting records and his ability to consistently score runs under pressure. Johnson, on the other hand, will be remembered for his raw pace, intimidating presence, and game-changing bowling spells. Both are legends in their own right, demonstrating that greatness can be achieved through diverse skill sets and approaches to the beautiful game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.